Today we're going to learn how to draw a ninja. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil to add faint lines and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. Begin by drawing a circle for the ninja's head. At the bottom of the circle, draw 2 lines that are both curved towards the left. Draw a slight curved line coming out from the left side of the ninja's body. Then on the right side, draw a shorter hook shape. At this point, mark a tiny straight line, then an upwards longer curved line to connect to the other leg. At the bottom of our legs, draw a small ball shape for his feet. Now it's time to move on to the arms. Mark an upwards curved line, then another upwards curved line that is parallel with it. Join these 2 lines together with a circle, representing the ninja's hand. On the other side, this time drawing 2 straight parallel lines that are then joined together by a circle. Now we can move on from our sketching layer by marking our drawing with a black pen. Begin by drawing around our circular face shape. Our ninja's identity is top secret, so we need to draw in his mask. To do this, draw a line above and below where you want to place his eyes. Then, place 2 oval shapes for his eyes. Our ninja needs to look ready to fight. So on his right eye, draw a big, sharp tick for his eyebrow, and repeat this on the other side, but with an opposite tick shape. The next thing is to outline the ninja's left arm, stopping before you reach his hand and drawing a straight line down to connect to the other side of his arm. Do the same on the other arm. Up, across, and rejoin the arm back to the body. Then, with your pen, outline the rest of the body, leaving out the feet. Now it's time to mark over the 2 little balls for the feet. Adding more detail by doing a U shape coming out of the legs to show the outline of the shoe. Do this on the other foot. Moving on to the ninja's hands, draw in his thumbs and little fingers. Then, on the other hand, draw the fingers slightly longer so they look stretched out. Add in a curved line going into a slight wiggle to carve in the thumb. Who is a ninja without an obi? This is his belt. Separate the torso from the legs by drawing a line across for his belt. Roughly in the middle of the line, draw a small U shape and then 2 slightly curved, long, rectangle-like shapes for the sash. Complete this by adding in a line underneath. Then, mark an off-centered diagonal line down and another shorter diagonal line in the opposite direction to connect. This is to mark out the detail for his gi. Finally, coming out of his head, draw in some wavy lines for the sashes of his mask. This will make them look like they're blowing in the wind. And that's it. You have a cool little ninja ready for action.